We just installed a shower head from Hansgrohe. The water flow is not very strong compared to an old Grohe shower head. Is there a water restrictor inside the shower head? If so, how do we remove it? Thanks, M.
Hello and thank you for using the service. I will assist you today with your question to the best of my ability. Do not rate service until completed. Yes, all faucets now have a flow restrictor in them. As well, showerheads do too.
I know that, but need to know what the flow restrictor looks like inside the Hansgrohe shower head. In order to remove the correct one. Any idea?
Unfortunately, it is against federal regulations if you're on public water to remove the flow restrictor. However, to locate the flow restrictor, remove the shower head from the shower arm and look inside. The flow restrictor will either be a small port within the shower head or a plastic insert. Each model shower head is different, so it could be either of the two items.
I know that too, but people remove them all the time. I have looked inside and there are two separate plastic inserts. So which do I remove for this brand? That is the information I was hoping to get from you.
The first item should be simply a washer, the item below that is the flow restrictor. You have to understand the expert's situation with giving information regarding the Water Conservation Act. As experts and licensed plumbers, we are not allowed to remove the water saver parts. That's we also have to be careful giving information on how to bypass this federal regulation.
When you say below, are you meaning closest to the water source or closest to the shower head?
Closest to the head. I have heard that simply drilling out the opening to make it larger will also work if removal is not possible of the part.
Okay, we'll try that. The house is in Canada and not sure of regulations here. But the plumber took one out of another Grohe shower head a few years ago. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.